it is 12, 22, 23, and we're gonna change some wipers on a, is it 2006?
2006.
Corolla. Hold on to that.
Okay.
So this is the old one, and this is the new one. This is the package. So when you remove this out, and if you accidentally drop it, this piece of metal is gonna crack your screen. So I usually put something like this, and so when it hits, it doesn't crack your screen. So that's what I do. So the idea is the new one's gonna come with adapters, but most Japanese cars, you don't need adapters. So first is first, we gotta make sure it's the right size. So we take the new one and we put it next to each other, right size. Usually the driver's side is usually longer and the passenger side usually shorter. So you're probably gonna get two different sizes, see? Different size. All right, so this happens to be an 18-inch. And what was it for?
22.
24.
Oh, 24.
24 for the driver, 18 for the passenger. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this puppy out. And so there's this model is called the Bosh Pure Vision. So we're gonna, these two things, we're gonna crimp them together and pull them that way.
Nice.
So there we go. Boom, it's out. And then we're just gonna twist this a little bit here. And then what it is, it looks like a hook, like my finger.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna push this thing down that way and it'll separate from the hook. So watch. There.
Nice.
So I turn a little bit and I push in. And then look, if I accidentally drop, boom, it's on the plastic and it's not gonna crack the glass. So that's good. So this is the old one. And so it's relatively gonna be just like that. This is, the new one's gonna come in like that. I'm gonna open the trap door, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna go really hard, no, kind of hard, and then you hear a click. If you don't hear that click, then when this thing starts working, it can work its way out. So you gotta hear that click. So I'm gonna drop this down gently. Like that. I'm gonna open up the trap door. And again, there's gonna be a whole bunch of adapters. German cars probably need the adapters, but Japanese cars, none. So you have an option of going in like this or going like this. So obviously you got to go in like that because that's how it's going to work. Doesn't work like this. Okay, so we're going to go in, and this moment we're going to put it close, and then something's not lining up. There, it went in. And but you notice there wasn't a click. So I'm gonna pull it towards the passenger side and it's gonna hear a click. Voila.
Nice.
All right. Then if we leave it like this, it could come its way out. So we gotta put the trap door back in. And then we are officially done. You don't have to keep all these adapters because you'll never use them again, so just recycle them.
Let me show a picture of the adapters.
So here are the adapters that we're gonna toss. So different sets came with different adapters. One set came with one adapter, the other set came with the other adapter. So the set's made for universal stuff, but ultimately they look like this. So you're gonna have to go through this information and figure out what applies to your car, and that's that. But if you got a Japanese car, chances are, for the last 15 years, you don't need these adapters. They all look like that.
Perfect.
All right, thanks for watching. Risker out.